What's up, guys? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So let's hop right on into this video. As from the title, you know this is my nighttime skincare routine. I like to go ahead and use a sugar sweet scrub first for my lips to exfoliate. This is the Milani Keep It Sweet Sugar Lip Scrub number 2. It feels very good on the lips. After I scrub it on my lips a little, it feels very tingly, like a lip plumper, but that's because of the sugar scrub is actually activating the lips to exfoliate all of that skin off. I like to use it all over my lips, on the outline of my lips, and sometimes in the inner part of my lips, depending on how much dead skin I have in there. But y'all, I do not eat it, even though it tastes good. I do not eat it because, who wants to eat dead skin? Come on, guys. And then I'll tissue it off or use a dry washcloth. Now in this present, I'm going to use a damp washcloth because I'm going to go strictly into cleanser. Now this cleanser is the Clinique Foaming Sonic Cleanser Soap. I really love this soap. I have been using this cleanser forever, and it comes a whole lot in the tube. I mean, like, the product is bomb. I just dot it all over the four corners of my face, and then use my facial cleansing device with this cleanser. This cleanser is so great. It doesn't leave my skin dry. It doesn't leave it super, tight. You know how some cleansers will leave your skin tight? It doesn't do that. And using it with the facial cleanser device, it really helps get into those pores and knock that dirt apart. So your skin actually feel very soft after the cleanser. I'm going to actually cleanse my face for a whole minute. I love Clinique skincare products. I may not use their makeup, but their skincare products are bomb. Okay, after I do that, I'll rinse that cleanser off. Leaving my face damp, I'll go into this e.l.f. Clarifying Charcoal Bubble Mask. This is very new to me. I have never used a device so unique. You see how I push that down and the actual charcoal mask will come out of it's like a shell. So you're not using a lot more product than you need to. I like to use this with a silicone spatula and just apply a small thin amount on your face, and the bubbles will actually form. It feels very tingly. I'm not even gonna lie, it kind of scared me at first because it was starting to burn. But I thought about it. This is a charcoal mask, okay? When the charcoal gets inside of your pores, it breaks up all the dirt. It's gonna feel a little tingly. Therefore, you know it's working. Avoiding my eyes, get my nose where all my pores may lay, blackheads, whiteheads, or whatever problem areas I do have on my face. I'll let that sit on my face for 5 to 10 minutes. And then what I'll do is I'll massage the bubbles inside of my skin, activating and dissipating the bubbles a little bit more so I can get the real cleanse of the bubbles. Wash that off. Now washing it off, it turns into a cleanser. Y'all, it's amazing. I really love this product. I do advise you to use it. After that, I like to go ahead with the toner. This is the e.l.f. Keep Your Skin Balanced Toner. Y'all, it's a nice toner. I've been using it for a while. Normally I will go in with my Ole Henriksen, but it's kind of expensive, but this one is less expensive than that. And it has witch hazel inside of it, hyaluronic acid, and aloe. So you know it's going to do its thing when it comes to the pH balance of your skin tone. Then I go with a true serum from Ole Henriksen. I have talked about this on my channel before. If I can remember, I'll leave the card up there on the top of the screen so you can actually check that out. It does have an orange scent to it. It's not as heavy, just why I just use like one squirt. But it feels very good. It brightens up the skin. It actually go deeper inside of the collagen in your skin. It helps hyperpigmentation alongside of the toner that you use. And then once I do that, I like to push that into the skin. So therefore, I'm getting all the benefits that come with it. This is an eye prepper. This is the Clinique all about the eyes. I like to use this to depuff my eyes even at nighttime. Like when I'm out in the sun, because it is a little hot where I'm at in Georgia. So I'm out in the sun, so my eyes get a little puffy and a little darker in there. My dark spots has really been improving up under my eyes, like my dark circles. Since I've been using this product, I really see a drastic change. Even my lid area has gotten a little lighter and brighter. And, I just feel very confident of that product. This is the Clinique Smart Night Moisturizer. This moisturizer is so creamy. It is very intense. Even in the morning when I get up to wash my face all over again, I still feel the benefits of this moisturizer. It targets the wrinkles, it tightens your skin, it brightens it up, and it's not greasy. So if you're combination oily skin like I am, you will really like this nighttime moisturizer. And to keep my lips hydrated throughout the night, this is by Bite Beauty. This is their Agave Nighttime Lip Therapy, and it's in agave. Y'all, this stuff feels so amazing on your lips. Even in the morning time when I wake up, my lips feel super hydrated and super soft. My wife loves my lips. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Let me know in the comment section what these products do for your skin if you try them out, or if you plan on trying them out. Let me know what you're going to get, how you're going to use it. You're going to use it for night or you're going to use it for daytime. I normally use it for night, but hey, the benefits still stand for the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, I ask you to please do that. Hit that notification bell right beside it. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my handle down below, guys. And thank you so much for joining me today. Love you guys. Bye.